you would think as years go on, things would get better. This is going not only in reverse, it's going reverse in warp speed. And we have to put the brakes on.
LaTrenda Carswell is not the only one who feels that way. So many people came to the meeting at the community center today, it had to be moved outside, and then more joined after passing by.
I had a young man 2 doors down from me that was murdered. I had a man that was shot, stabbed to death just a couple of feet from my front door.
We're getting tired. We're really getting tired. I saw it today. We came out in numbers. It was just beautiful. The diversity of the crowd, people came far and near. It was beautiful.
After 2 hours, Nelson said she had 5 notepads of suggestions.
Parents being responsible. Community coming together and stop putting the blinders on. Community start seeing things happen and start speaking of it.
Speaker after speaker spoke to over 100 people listening, talking about solutions ranging from religion to parental responsibility. Now the biggest challenge is putting words into action.
It's time for us to do something different. We continue to have these rallies and stuff, but we have to have some solution.
To do that, it was made clear the community has to unite.
And we have all these resources that are all over the place. We have to have one common bond as a community to bring all those resources together for one good, which, like I said, which a lot of people are saying the same thing today, which are about the kids.
What I want to come out of here is a steering committee. All these centers come together as a combination, as one. And we all start working as a unity and be unified.
And to do that, Nelson says there will be many more meetings like today's. Amy Johnson, News Channel 9.